Michael Burry's shocking last warning for Cardano ADA holders. If you hold ADA, watch this now. The big short investor Michael Burry inquired about ways to bet against Bitcoin just before the world's largest cryptocurrency hit a 6-month high to breach the $60,000 level. Today we're going to talk all about Michael Burry's shocking warning about Cardano and crypto in general. So watch this video till the end, because today's video is going to be the bomb. Welcome to Cardano Land, your daily dose of Cardano. If you're interested in everything around Cardano, this is the place for you. Subscribe if you want to stay updated with all the Cardano news, predictions, and stay one step ahead in the crypto world. Make sure to hit the like button for us to provide you with more Cardano news. Don't forget to enable all notifications to join our weekly cash giveaway pinned in the comments. Before we get to our topic, let's take a look at the chart and see what the price of ADA is doing on the 4th of December, shall we? Cardano ADA recovered sharply on December 2nd, but hit a wall at the 20-day EMA, $1.72. The failure of the bulls to clear the overhead hurdle may have attracted heavy selling by the bears. The sellers will now attempt to sink the price to the strong support zone at $1.50 to $1.41. This is an important support for the bears to defend, because if it cracks, the selling could accelerate and the ADA USDT pair may start its downward journey towards $1. Contrary to this assumption, if the price turns up from the support zone, it will indicate buying at lower levels. The bulls will then make one more attempt to propel the price above the 20-day EMA. If that happens, the pair could rally to the 50-day SMA, $1.94. Now let's get back to the topic. The big short investor Michael Burry inquired about ways to bet against Bitcoin just before the world's largest cryptocurrency hit a 6-month high to breach the $60,000 level. Okay, I haven't done this before. How do you short a cryptocurrency? Burry said in a Wednesday tweet. Do you have to secure a borrow? Is there a short rebate? Can the position be squeezed and called in? In such volatile situations, I tend to think it's best not to short, but I'm thinking out loud here. Investors and analysts are optimistic that US regulators could give the green light to the first Bitcoin futures exchange traded fund as soon as next week. Such a move would give mainstream investors exposure to the crypto market, which allows for even greater acceptance of digital assets on Wall Street. The famed investor has been a vocal critic of cryptocurrencies, taking issue with their wild volatility and speculative trading activities. He previously compared Bitcoin to the 2007 housing bubble, which he had bet against and profited from immensely. MSCI says there is $7.1 trillion in market cap tied to stocks of companies holding crypto. But MSCI also says only 79 people of 6,500 corporate board members have crypto expertise. This is, as they say, a feature, not a bug, he said in a now-deleted tweet Thursday. Burry was one of the first investors to call and profit from the subprime mortgage crisis. He was depicted in Michael Lewis's book, The Big Short, and the subsequent Oscar-winning movie of the same name. Burry now manages about $340 million at Scion Asset Management. Burry said in an email exclusively to CNBC that he's not shorting cryptocurrencies, but that he does believe they are in a bubble. The investor routinely deletes and makes private his Twitter account under the handle @MichaelJBurry. Over the past week, he reactivated his account and made it public. In his recent tweet storm, he commented on a range of topics from taxing the rich to the Federal Reserve and former President Donald Trump. It appeared that Burry deleted his account again Friday. Burry calls Bitcoin a bubble. According to him, while the attention received by Bitcoin is not unwarranted, it probably would not last long. He even compared his current warning to the ones he had during the housing bubble. Most cryptocurrencies have a correlation to Bitcoin. Correlation within stock market trading refers to two assets moving up and down in value together. The presence of a strong correlation within the crypto market was visible in the crash of 2018. In 2018, Bitcoin's value decreased at an unprecedented level. This was followed by a similar fall in the prices of other cryptocurrencies. The vast majority of cryptocurrencies experienced an even bigger fall than Bitcoin itself. The supply of Bitcoin is capped at 21 million, of which 18.7 million are currently in circulation. This limited supply is an indicator of a deflationary currency. This means that as more and more Bitcoin keeps on getting mined, the value of each individual Bitcoin will rise over time. This rise in price encourages investors to hoard the cryptocurrency. With the currency not frequently changing hands, the actions of every investor can make drastic price differences. These, along with news headlines and speculation, are the reasons why critics of the cryptocurrency consider its growth a bubble. What lies ahead? Burry's predictions may have a grain of truth to them. Prices of both Bitcoin and GameStop have seen volatility. However, the mother of all crashes that he foreshadows is yet to come to fruition. Ever since his tweet, Bitcoin has been garnering more and more interest, with El Salvador adopting it as legal tender. Burry's claim that Bitcoin is a bubble might not come true at all. Analysts studying Bitcoin patterns suggest that the cryptocurrency reaches an all-time high every 4 years, after which it experiences a fall. Post the fall, the price goes back to the highest value set in the previous 4-year rise. Many people in the crypto community believe that Burry shorted Bitcoin when the price of the cryptocurrency was $30,000 after he posted a BTC price chart suggesting that it would be a good time to short. Burry never confirmed or denied whether he shorted Bitcoin until now. The crypto community became even more convinced that Burry was shorting Bitcoin, or was considering doing so, when he tweeted Wednesday, "Okay, I haven't done this before. How do you short a cryptocurrency? Do you have to secure a borrow? Is there a short rebate? Can the position be squeezed and called in? In such volatile situations, I tend to think it's best not to short, but I'm thinking out loud here." When Burry tweeted asking about shorting cryptocurrencies Wednesday, the price of Bitcoin was around $58,000. It then shot up past $62,000. GameStop, which as per Burry's predictions was supposed to be another fad, has still been maintaining a relatively high value. As of June 2021, the company's stock is still up more than 1,000%. While there may be a fall as attention dies down, the company appears to be faring well at present. Michael Burry's warning is for all the cryptos, including Cardano. So how much will Cardano be worth in 2025? Most analysts are confident that the ADA coin will have crossed the $5 mark. The most optimistic believe the crypto will have reached $70. Analysts at 11news.com believe that it is possible for the ADA crypto coin prices to rise to between $5 and $10 by the end of 2025. They base this prediction on the belief that the innovative technology used in designing the Cardano will soon help it dominate the dApps ecosystem. CoinSwitch is, however, not as optimistic about ADA price performance in the next 4 years. While the crypto experts at the exchange are confident that ADA prices will continue rising, they believe that ADA value will only have risen to $3 by the end of 2025. Trading Beasts is even less optimistic about Cardano's price performance in the next 4 years. Technical analysts at the price prediction website suggest that ADA prices will slowly rise to $3.47 by the end of 2024. To reach $5, Cardano would need to triple its market capitalization and record a 120% price jump. This far into 2021, Cardano has recorded a 1,200% plus price jump, most of which was made possible by the ongoing crypto rally and the Mary protocol upgrade. In the next 4 years, as Cardano rolls out equally impactful protocol upgrades, analysts expect the altcoin price to reach $5. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. Also, we would like to mention that this is not a channel intended specifically to provide financial advice, and we do not ask you to invest in any company. This is merely a channel directed towards bringing educational content to your doorsteps. With that in mind, before you invest in anything, we recommend you do thorough, wide-spectrum research on the topic. And make sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time on Cardano Land. Bye!